Yes, guys, today we are going to connect our BMW F900 XR bike or any BMW motorrad by motorbike with the app. This is called Connected, BMW Motorrad Connected. Just press this app. Make sure you have connected your Bluetooth. Let me check if I'm connected. Yeah, I'm just connecting Bluetooth with my bike. Here it is. Connected, done. Now my bike is also on. So here is the current weather. I can see it's quite rainy, so I cannot go outside to ride, but I can show you the video how to connect it with your motorbike. It's very simple. Just install the connected BMW Connected app and you click on rides. You can allow recording, tours, services, connect hub. You can go to navigation. Here is a navigation, and wherever you want to go you can see on your screen. I will also show you my computer's my BMW TFT screen, how it looks, and connect it. Wherever you want to go you can just search, navigate, download the map. You can download the map of various countries. You can see where is your bike, where you want to go. You can easily place the address and change location. Navigate all over. You can store your rides. There are many other functions. All your rides will be recorded. You can record everything, what speed was there and what was the function, how much incline you were. Everything will be recorded over here. Manuals, will save your time on the manuals over here on this app. After this I will show you on my screen, or I can show you I think with the camera. Yeah, you can see the screen. This is how it is connected, showing on the motorcycle display. Okay guys, please subscribe and press the like button. See you with more informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.